Stakeholders in the education sector have called for platforms to groom children to contribute to public policy development and implementation. They made the call in Abuja on the sidelines of the Student Public Policy Forum organized by the Not Forgotten Initiative School in collaboration with Agora Policy and the MacArthur Foundation. The stakeholders said engaging children early in state affairs would help secure the future of democracy as they have the capacity to contribute to nation building. Mrs. Agarite Omofoma, Abstract Communication Specialist at the Policy Innovation Center, said children could be part of the solution to societal issues.
No words to really rate how important it is. It's really getting the young ones to start thinking the way they should think about changes in society. The problem is that we wait for people to grow up and then try to now force them to change behaviors and change thinking patterns. But if we start now, if we catch them early and start telling them you're not disadvantaged for being a child, you don't have to wait to grow up before you start thinking in a certain kind of way, then we are indeed building a nation that has hope.
Professor Abiodun Adeniyi, Registrar of Bayes University, said early exposure to policy formulation would prepare children to make meaningful contributions to governance.
To begin to think in the line of policy formulation, policy implementation. What it means is that you are preparing for the future.
Mrs. Oluwatosin Adeniyi, founder of NFI School, said the forum featured students from 17 secondary schools in Abuja.
That is a part they can play because it's important that they understand what they are supposed to enjoy as children, access to education, good health, and also to know that it's not enough to know the problem. They can be part of the solution, and they should begin to think about how to propose solutions and also to know how to communicate the solutions.
Some students who spoke to NAN shared their excitement and knowledge gained at the forum.
We learned that we shouldn't just think of problems about public policy, but we should try and propose solutions to those problems and consider different alternatives to those problems and solutions. It's not only about thinking and providing solutions, you should also know the right way to communicate with the respected personnel that will help in amending those policies.
I want to tell them thank you for putting efforts to see that peace they come to pass. May God reward them.